We have a new exercise, practicing the style profile. So let's start to do that. Remember, you can always open the style profile the quick way. Pause style profile. We have something called blue sky. There is a nice operation in the system called where used. You can use where used and find out who is using this one. And you see it on some terminals, it's also on some stuff. So stuff 60 is actually using this style profile. And if you view source from here, you will see that this is the fashion guy that is using style profile blue sky. So let's go back. What you're supposed to do is to copy this style profile to another one and name it test. So let's go out of it and create a new one that we call test. And then we copy to this current style from blue sky. And we enable skin, font, and color lines. And OK. So now we have a new style profile. And the idea is that you will change the colors to any colors you like. So you could go to back colors and change it to something. It's blue, we go and take it to green. You could take the command cancel from red as it is there to something maybe blue, and etc. etc. Let's do log off as well. And do something like this. You can do command plus to something different. Not well, maybe something brownish, yes, fine. And etc. etc. You can do the same with the fonts. This is just something I'm gonna do it yellowish. Let's do it something yellowish. So it will be more noticeable. This is what you can do with all the font lines, all the style lines. But I'm just giving you a few examples. Sometimes I have been assisting in pre-sales, and then I've been creating new style profiles depending on the prospect's logo. So I know who is the company who wants to look at our solution. I go to their site, I see the logo, and I put the buttons in similar setup as from the logo and the fonts. And usually it doesn't take me that much time, half an hour, something like that. So I just did few changes. And now before we start the POS with the new changes, with this new style profile, let's make sure that somebody is using it. And remember, we looked at the staff. So it was staff 60. Let's go into staff list. Find this guy, number 60. Fashion. And change that he's not using blue sky, that he's using test. So this ensures that we will open the POS, look at layout with this new style profile. Now what we have to do is to start the POS. Log on into fashion, and you see the changes. The buttons are different. These texts are different. This text didn't change because there's another reason for that. But some of the text changes and some of the buttons. So you see, with a little bit playing around, you're already doing some changes. This is what I'd like you to practice in this exercise.